Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Acorn account step by step. Acorn is a beginner friendly investing app designed to help you grow your money automatically by investing your spare change and setting up a recurring investment. Acorn makes long-term investing simple and stress-free, and in this guide I'll walk you through how to create an account step by step. So first you need to launch the Acorn app on your iPhone. After installing it, on the welcome screen you can select create account on the bottom, or if you have an account already you can tap on the import account. Your account is being created on the bottom, and after that you need to select to the start on the bottom, and that is it. This is how you can create an Acorn account on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. And your account is now active. Acorn works best when you invest consistently over time. Even spare change can grow into something meaningful, and that's how you can create Acorn account step by step. You're now ready to start investing automatically and building long-term wealth and Acorns. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any trouble or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.